Are you still uploading your YouTube videos the usual way? This might be the reason YouTube is not recommending your videos among the top creators in your niche. So this trick that I'm going to share with you in this video, I've tried it myself in several videos, as you can see here, and it has really worked for me and helped YouTube rank my videos. So sit back, because I'm going to share with you how to use this trick even before you get to upload your videos, so that you can get ranked and hence more views on YouTube. So before I even take you to how it works, like this video and subscribe if you don't want to miss any updates coming from this channel. Now, this tip I'm going to share with you today could be a serious head start for your next video upload. So never skip any bit of it. So let's jump straight into it. Now, why does this even matter? You see, sometimes whenever you export your video from the editor you are using, it usually comes with its generic name from the editor. And this generic name is what you shouldn't upload your video with, because YouTube usually scans the metadata of your video, including the thumbnail, the video title, description, and all that. So if your video is named with generic name from the editor, it means that YouTube will not scan the metadata correctly and put it into its right context according to the video. So you should always rename this file name before you upload your video. So I'm going to share with you how you go about that and how it helps you rank higher on YouTube. So let me show you how it is done. Whenever you see your file name like this one, you always need to change it. So let me take you through how you can rename your file name whenever you export from the editor you are using. So let's try to go to our files and try to pick a video. For example, this video here. You see this video here. So this is the file name of this video, the way it has come from the CapCut editor. So this is what we are trying to change, so that we don't upload our video with this generic file name. We need to change this name to match the title of the video. So let's say this video is about how to grow on YouTube. So this is how we are gonna name this file. So let's do it. Tap on these three dots here, then rename, because we don't want to leave it with that generic file name from the editor. So rename. You see, this is the name we want to remove here. This is what we are going to do. Let's say the video is about how to grow on YouTube. So we are going to use dashes to separate the words like this. How dash how to dash grow dash on dash YouTube. You see, this is how you separate the words. So whenever you are renaming your file name, always use the dashes to separate the words. Dashes are better for SEO, and YouTube reads them as word separators. For example, let's say your video title is Boost YouTube Views. So your file name will be Boost YouTube Views, and the words should be separated by the dashes. So you should always not separate the words with space, because spaces are always encoded as %20. For example, if your title is how to grow on YouTube, for example, you see how your file name is gonna be renamed, and you don't want it to be renamed this way, how %20 to %20 grow. This one is not good for metadata. So always use the dash instead of the space. And also you cannot use underscores, because they are not ideal in the search engine, because they may be read as a whole phrase or word. For example, if your video is about boost YouTube views and you separate the words with the underscores, it will read as boost YouTube views as one word. So always avoid that. Always rename your files like this one, how to rank on YouTube fast. Separate the words with the dashes so that SEO can read them better. So let me take you to my YouTube Studio dashboard and show you how this trick has helped me rank my videos for my small YouTube channel. So let's go to our YouTube dashboard. YouTube dashboard there. So let me show you how I've implemented this SEO boost trick. So let's try to pick a video. Let me tap on the content there. Let me try to pick a video here. Let's just go to another page. So you see this video here. Let me tap on it and show you. You see this video here. The title of the video is "Turn off this hidden YouTube feature no one talks about." So this is our file name. You see the file name is "Turn this off. YouTube hidden hides your channel." YouTube is hiding your channel. So I've just renamed it the way with the title of my thumbnail, which means that I have already optimized my file name with the key searchable words, which means that I have the potential of getting ranked higher by the YouTube ranking system, because whenever it scans my file name, YouTube will know the context of my video and help rank it among the top videos. Instead of just using the generic name, YouTube will never know where your video falls. So see how this trick has helped me in this video. So let's see the analytics of this video I'm talking about here. So let's go to its analytics of that video. See, this video has given me this was for a very new channel, when this channel was barely a month old. So this video gave me 12.6k views. Imagine. That's how this trick helped YouTube rank my video. And the channel was extremely new. So if you also implement this trick today, you'll start seeing YouTube recommend your video and get it ranked among the top competitors in your niche. So never make a mistake of uploading your video with its generic file name from the editor again if you really want YouTube to recommend your videos and get more views. If you found value in this video, give it a like and share it with other creators so that they could also benefit from it. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any updates coming from this channel if you are really serious about growing your YouTube channel. See you in my coming video.